Hello friend, how is it going? Welcome back to Toyota Maintenance YouTube channel. Here you can see another 2010 Toyota Prius with famous head gasket job. It's the beginning. This one has approximately 177,000 miles on the odometer. Here you can see the parts which were removed already, including the intake, which is always full of engine oil due to the ventilation of the crankcase. It's coming right here. I can show you the valve which sends it into the intake. That could cause all kinds of misfires and so on, and it's right here. This is the valve which I always replace, and that's the hose where the intake is sitting right here. That's what you just saw on the ground over there. But this video title will be about indirect injection engines. I was working on this and I thought of you, and what a great opportunity to show you here in the real world one of the big advantages of the indirect engines. That's that older technology which was replaced with direct injection modern engines, meaning indirect engine, in this case, this 2ZR FXE. Is that lighting annoying? Let me check that. Can I switch that? That got better, in my opinion. Yeah. So, our fuel rail is coming right here. These are fuel injectors. And they are spraying into the head. This is what I'm doing. I'm removing the head to replace the head gasket which is under. And now we will bring a light for us and we will look inside. And as I was working on it, I looked inside and I'm like, oh my, this is the most incredible opportunity to show everybody how is the difference, what is the advantage of this older technology, and how in this case the valves are clean. So the light, I already experimented with it. It's not easy to deal with it, but let's focus on this. So here was that plastic intake. It's an intake manifold, but this is still part of intake. As we said, you see the injector right here. So this injector is not spraying direct in the combustion chamber, but it's spraying into the intake area. Now look how much crud and dirt is collected right before the area where injector actually is effective. So do you see how black and nasty it is? However, when I will put the light down, if you look inside all the way in, you can see how the injectors and the area around them is super clean. And I'm sorry, this is max zoom and this is perfect. Do you see how the stem of that valve and the valve itself and the surrounding area is clean? Well, that's because the mixture of the air and that gasoline, that gas from that injector, the mixture is basically cleaning it off, wiping it off, and it's keeping it perfectly clean. So this is one of the big advantages of indirect injection in the modern engines. However, that was replaced with direct injection. Now it will be so cool if I by a chance had another engine here which is direct injection, and I could show you the difference. Correct? Will that not be awesome? Oh my God! Are you kidding? What are the odds that this 4-cylinder is actually direct injection? And I can show you. Can you believe it? I'm doing the same job. It's a head gasket, and I never find the time for it. So that's the 2016 Ford Mustang with EcoBoost turbocharged 4-cylinder engine. This is super high pressure fuel rail with injectors on it. The pump is driven by the crank. You can see here, right here, as the crank rotates, it pressurized. It's super high pressure pump. So that's already a huge difference. We don't have that in that Prius. The pressure, it's, let's say, 50 psi. Here, it's completely different story. So I really thought of you guys, because what a great opportunity to get on the intake side of this engine and show you the difference. So exhaust is here, that's the turbo. So the intake is on the other side. Very similar size engine. You see these two cams with the chain and so on. That's very similar. I never in my life touched this, so that's also a problem. So here are the intake ports, and the injectors were underneath it. As you can see on the Prius, the injectors are above it and they are spraying still in the intake. Well, not here. That rail was below. I will place that light somewhere, like here. So the rail was mounted here. The injectors were direct into the combustion chamber where the piston is. And now let's put the light away. We are able to look inside, and you will not believe how hardcore bad it is inside. The amount of crud from that recirculation of those EGR gases. Aha, so that's a problem. The opening is too narrow. I switched to the manual focus, so hopefully you see that stem of the valve and the valve top itself, it's covered with the thick layer of that nasty goo, and that causes problems on these direct injection engines. What's about the other one? The number 2 cylinder, it's not there because there was the leak of coolant, and the coolant was actually steaming and cleaning the valves. But the number 1, 3, and 4 are all in the same shape. Yep, not so easy with that gear. Okay, no problem. You guys were able to see the horror which is inside of these intakes. And of course, who is not familiar with this, you will say, well, why the latest engines are direct injected and suffer with these problems? Well, it's because the designers, they are chasing the power, and if you have direct injection, you have way better control over that combustion process. You can use pre-sprays and you can perfectly time everything quantity, quality, everything, it's a different level. So it's a power, and with power comes fuel economy, and all these companies are constantly harassed by governments to improve the fuel economy. So they are forced to deal with it, and these are ways which they are finding. So that's the new world. It will bring problems on direct injection with cleaning the valves. Also, the engine is underneath more stress from that direct injection. Also, that engine will be slightly more noisy from direct injection, which on contrary, that Prius has like a softer process of that 4 cycles over that harsh direct injection. But these are very fine details. Also, direct injection is more noisy. It will create more noise, but you can always put some sound deadening stuff. So these engines are way less noisy. Of course, on very small, we speak about very small differences, which at the end you will probably not even be able to say if we will park these 2 vehicles next to each other and let them idle, for example. This is cheaper to build. IDI, indirect injection, is more simple and cheaper than direct injection. That's way more expensive, and the repairs are more expensive. What's about reliability? 2010 Prius, 2016 Mustang. 177,000 miles, that Mustang. It sits here forever, I never have time. But I think when I saw the odometer, I remember it's like 144,000 miles. So it's lasted pretty okay too, considering it's a turbo engine. So reliability, roughly same in this case. This blows head gaskets from different reason. This is the hybrid vehicle, and it's that cycle of heating up and cooling off, heating up, cooling off. Then here it's blown most likely because the high stress. The turbo is pressurizing that engine. It's running hotter. Because of that, it's not going up and down with the heat. But generally, these have problems with the heat, because in the Mustang, this engine produces 325 horsepower. That's a lot of horsepower coming out of that engine. So this car, you think it's a 4-banger turbo, it's a joke. Well, it's pretty fast. And then, on top of it, it's really fuel economical, so it's not bad. I'm really can't wait to finish this project and start driving it. Super modern. This is an upgrade. It's a premium. The cabin is unbelievable, and the software which is in it. So maybe you will see it one day. Maybe I will even put it on this Toyota channel just for fun. But this is simple old technology. Has a lot of advantages. However, the industry is chasing power and fuel economy, and that's why we are ending up with these. I thought of you when I looked inside. I'm like, that's a chance for nice little video, educating video. So I hope you like it. If you do, please give it a thumb up and stay tuned. I will keep filming. I will keep thinking of you and filming stuff from this shop. Thank you for watching, and have a great day.